Shaw. Gets it, and now what? Bruno Fernandes! Goal!
If you don't have this game, check a video in this channel. The game link is in the description. Go there, download, and we go to the tutorial, guys. Hello guys, and in this video I want to show you how to set your players celebrate in different styles on a PSP football game FC26. So follow steps I'm going to show you so that your players can celebrate in different celebrations. We have 90 celebrations, but PSP put it off, so you are the one to do those settings. So first of all, open PSP, then open the FC26 football game. If you don't have the game, check in the channel. Then go to edit, scroll until you see this edit at the very end. Then click X to open it. Then we're gonna click on edit player. This option, the first option, click on edit player. So after this, go to edit player, then click X for configuration, guys. If you are new to this game, check a video in the channel so that you enjoy this game. Then we're gonna select a league where your players are. For I'm going to use Premier League. Then I like Manchester United, so I want to use Bruno Fernandes, so I'm going to scroll down and use Bruno Fernandes. Then click on basic settings. You go to basic settings like that. Then after you choose these basic settings, we're gonna wait. So click on X for configuration. I know these things, you know, you guys. So we have two celebration, guys. So we have this one. Look at this option, celebration 1, this one, then celebration 2, which is this one. So as you see, it has been turned off at the end, so we need to turn them on. Look at it, it is off, so we need to turn them on. So go celebration 1 and 2, they are off. Then here, as you see, they are off. So I need to turn them on so that I can set my own celebrations. So scroll down, then we're gonna use this one. So you click these side buttons to choose through the celebrations. So I'm going to choose number 1, this one. Then you're gonna click on the box to see the celebration. Then you click the triangle to cancel the celebration if it is long. So let's click on the box and see how the player is celebrating. So let's do so. As you see, guys, then let me try number 2. This is number 2, as you see, guys. Then around one, if you are not seeing, look at this box, the one I'm drawing on the screen. Look at the player. When I go through the celebrations, he celebrates. Now let's do 3. This celebration 3, guys. So it's upon you to choose the one that fits you, the one you like, and I'm going to show the one I like, guys. So this 4, let me try 5. This number 5, guys. 6. They are different. They are up to 90 celebrations, but you are the one to use them because the player uses automatic celebration. So let me try number 7. I think it's number 17. So let me try up to number 25. Let me go up to 44. This number 44. Now this is the one I like, guys. Look at it. This is very good, very simple. Let me try 45. This one too cute. So 45 and 44, they are good. This one I like. I like trying this one. I like it because it is smooth, nice one. So I'm going to pick this 45. Look at it again. I like it. So the second celebration, I'm going to use 47. So let me go up to number 47. This is no. I need number 47. So goal celebration 247. Yes, it's a front flip. I have cramped them. I like using them. So then scroll down and click OK. Then OK again. Then we're gonna triangle to go back. You want triangle to go back again until we come to this menu. Then go to quit editing. Then we go back to the menu. So let me show you the celebration I have applied to the game. So in the real game, let's see how the celebration works, guys.
So it's down to business here. Well, Richard Goff's in the side today, and it's hard to argue that he is one of the finest centre-backs to come out of the Scottish game.
Yeah, I got to go along with that. When you look at his achievements and his longevity, and the figures speak for themselves, and of course he's a man who many look to for inspiration and leadership.
Now in the real game, you see something like this. Do you like the celebration, how it is cool, guys? So it's upon you to go through all celebration and choose the one that fits you, the one you like, guys. If you like AI, tech tricks, gaming or editing hacks, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, because I have got more coming for you. Finally, guys, thanks for watching, and let me see you in the next video.